Hey guys, we're going to do another swarm trapping video, and this one is going to be kind of be a Randy 628 dirt rooster kind of video. What have I caught? Cleaning up my traps, getting ready to put them out for the 2020 year. Amongst this virus that we're not going to name. Got my last trap here. I'm just glad that there was nobody home when I decided to pick this trap up. So let's go ahead and get right down into the meat of it. At first, you're going to see the eat out old comb. But what we're going to get to inside of that, try not to tear it up, is the remnants of, anybody want to take a guess? That is remnants of a hornet's nest. So I caught a hornet. Then over winter, with the trap setting out under a tarp, I caught a mouse. I have a mouse nest inside the hornet's nest. So everything comes full circle. It's kind of funny. One thing I'm glad of is nobody was home when I went and picked this trap up. Let's see what we can find in it, other than the mouse. Take the camera with me so you guys can see what's going on. Let's flip the camera around. Well, it doesn't want to flip. Oh well. We'll just do it this way. Well, I can tell you the fishing line is definitely screwed. Turn it up this way and see what we can see. Stuff is just like paper. Man, this was a big one too. Look at all these sails. There's so many of them in there. They were go. Well, there's a honeybee checking it out. What are you doing in there? Remnants of where wax moths have been in there. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand and a camera. There we go. I know this isn't as exciting as Randy's videos with live hornets or yellow jackets or whatever he's working with. It's very interesting. Like I said, I am so glad that there was nobody home when I decided to take this trap down, bring it home. It's a nice warm day, sunny. First full sunny day since I've had like 5 days of rain. I'm looking to see if there's any swarms in the air down here at the bee yard, because I just heard a bunch of bees, but I just put out sugar water over at the feeder, so that's probably them going by. So guys, bee safety. I guess you need to make sure that there's nothing going in and out of your trap before you pull it down. This ought to be a fun one to clean up. Guys, have fun. Enjoy beekeeping. Hate that you're quarantined. But hey, if you're swarm trapping, you can get out and do that by yourself. Beekeeping, you can do that by yourself. Just tell the girls they can't stand in no more than 10 in a group. I think I'm going to do like Tim Durham. Tell a joke at the end of this one just for craziness. 3 guys are applying for a job. The guy comes in, sits down with the first one and says, "What's the fastest thing in the world?" First guy said, "A thought." it's not there, and all of a sudden, boom, it's there. That's a good answer. Went to the next guy. He said, what's your answer to that question? He goes, well, electricity, light. Flip the switch, light's on. It's there instantly. You flip the switch off, and it's out instantly. So he goes to Bubba. He says, Bubba, what's your opinion on what's the fastest thing in the world? He said, well, diarrhea. He said, diarrhea? He said, where'd you come up with that idea? He said, well, before you can turn the light on or think about it, it's too late. Have a good one. Hit that like and subscribe. Share your video. Have a great one.